What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is what we do. Today I'm going to show you how to make a full lace frontal wig, a step-by-step guide to achieve this. So stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, the first thing I'll be doing, I'll be cutting out my net. This is the net I'm using, and for this video I'm going to be making use of 13 by 4 inches size. So I use my tape to measure out 13 by 4. I'm going to place the tape on the net and measure out 14. The reason why I'm doing this because I want to give a 1 inches extra for the measurement. So because the lace is too big, I'm going to just cut out the 14 inches, then cut out the 4, which is the 5 inches size. So after cutting out the net, I'm going to be placing my cap on my manicure head. This is the cap that is preferably used for a full lace frontal. So now I place my net on my cap. I placed the net on the cap. Remember, all we just did was a rough sketch measurement. So now I'm going to use my pin to hold down the net, which then I'm going to do the actual measurement to get an accurate result of what I want. I'm going to be doing the measurement again, which is 14 by 4 inches, or rather 13 by 4 inches. At the front, I'm going to be measuring 4 inches. Body is giving me 5 inches. I'm meant to get 4 inches. What I'm going to do, I'm going to be removing the pin to replace it where it's meant to be, which is at the 4 inches size. After that, I'm going to be sewing around, then cut them out. So after pinning them down, I'll sew around and cut it out. After sewing round, I'm going to be cutting out the wig cap at the front. I'm going to be cutting it out, then cut out the excess net at the back. This sewing you can use a transparent thread. For this one I'm using a black one. It doesn't mean anything long as you use the sewing to cover everything, so it doesn't mean. Now I place my cap on my manicure head, then pin it down to give a line where I'm going to be ventilating. In the line where I'm going to be ventilating. So this is how it looks. This is how the back looks. Let's proceed. For this hairline, you can place it on your head to achieve exact hairline. And for the wigging, I'm going to be using this weavon. It's 350 gram and comes in 4 bundles. I'll be using 1 bundle for the ventilation, then 3 bundles for the wig. I've already done some off camera and I'm going to be showing you in detail what I did. These some of them that I done. Actually, we are used to this. All I did was to use my ventilating needle and some hair, pick them out. So put the needle in a single hole, follow the line and pull out 1 or 2 strands of hair, pull it out and tight. This my needle is a new needle. This is a new DIY ventilating needle which I'm using for the first time. I started this video with already made full ventilating needle, but I'm ending it with this. Long story short, my needle fell down and broke, and honestly I felt so bad. I felt really bad because I've given myself a stipulated time to achieve this wig, but the devil came in action, which I didn't want him to frustrate me. So I devised a means of getting this DIY needle, which I'll be showing you guys in my next video. So I'm adjusting myself to a new lifestyle, which is this, learning how to use it. As usual, put the needle in a hole, pull out and tight. After lining the front part, I'm going to be doing this one repeatedly, almost we're done before the next step, so keep watching. So this step I'm doing is optional. I'm doing this one in case if you want to leave a center part in your frontal, but if you don't want, you just close everything up so you can actually get a full frontal. If not, you can leave it like this, whichever one is okay. I'm done ventilating. This is how it looks. You can see the line is showing, or if you don't want the line to show, you can cover it up. For a glueless frontal, I'm going to be using elastic band to hold down my wig cap. So use your thread and needle to sew down the elastic band like I'm doing. This video was helpful for you. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you think about this video, and please subscribe to my channel to be part of the family and for more updates. See how the back looks so flawless. Thank you guys for staying. Love you. Bye.